do you find that fascinating in a way that जिस तरीके से rediscover किया जा रहा है actors को?
Over here, you see an Alia doing that exactly in her third film.
Right.
Or in her second film, giving that kind of, delivering that, or getting that kind of an opportunity, or delivering that kind of a performance,
Right.
which we evolved into. Or Deepika getting that to do in her second or third film.
Right.
You know, after straight being introduced.
आप KGF 2 में के ट्रेलर में जिस तरीके से आप वॉक कर रही हैं उसमें ही एक स्टेटमेंट है.
इट्स नॉट कि यार हर फ्राइडे एक फिल्म तो दिखनी चाहिए कि फटाफट साइन कर लो. वो इनसिक्योरिटीज़ नहीं है कि यार फिल्में साइन कर लो धड़ाधड़ कि 30 फिल्में जैसे लास्ट टाइम हम लोग करते थे पहले. Now watching global cinema right in their homes,
जी.
whether it's from Iran or South Africa or it's from Turkey or it's
Korea.
from South Korea.
We are also at a very very interesting juncture that because of the entire this OTT wave that is going on. जैसे फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में क्या होता है कि एक एक certain stereotypes बहुत ही trademark हैं कि that actresses you started off when you were 16 and a half, 17 and at a certain age after a certain point of time आप बहन बन जाती हैं या फिर आप मदर के आपके रोल्स आते हैं and that is how it is like it's a norm in a way. लेकिन यहाँ पर you are actually headlining a show. ये एक बिल्कुल ऐसी एक aspect है which is something that many people would not expect. But here you are headlining a show, you are having a grand launch. I personally feel जिस तरीके से launch हुआ है उस दिन,
the
entire industry needs to take note कि भाई अभी ऐसा है कि वो सिर्फ होटल में Marriott में बुला के वो press conference हो गया. That is not how things are going to happen. So do you find that fascinating in a way that जिस तरीके से rediscover किया जा रहा है actors को?
I think it is fantastic. But I'm seeing this positive change in our industry since the past 10 years. So I cannot say that it's only the advent of OTT platform that has brought about this positive change. Faridun, in our times, you've seen us through then to now. In our times, we probably, after our 15th or 16th film, would get a film where a filmmaker would take us seriously.
Right.
Over here, you see an Alia doing that exactly in her third film. Right. Or in her second film, giving that kind of, delivering that, or getting that kind of an opportunity, or delivering that kind of a performance,
right.
which we evolved into. Or Deepika getting that to do in her second or third film,
right.
After straight being introduced. So I think the times are changing and all for the positive. So I can see that change happening,
right.
and it's a very pleasant change. And so when OTT has also come in, yes, it has given a new scope. It has broadened our audience's minds also, because they are now watching global cinema right in their homes.
जी.
They're being exposed to so much more different kind of storytelling, different kind of content, whether it's from Iran or South Africa, or it's from Turkey, or it's
Korea.
from South Korea. So it's that kind of a atmosphere that is now within your reach. Earlier on, we used to wait for film festivals के ईरान से कोई पिक्चर है तो हमको मौका मिल रहा है देखने के लिए, यहाँ कहीं और से कोई पिक्चर है तब मौका मिल रहा है. But now you can see global cinema there at the tap of your fingers.
Right.
So for them also it's a different exposure. Their perceptions have also changed. They've also broadened their horizons. The entire acceptance of experimental cinema is also there.
Right.
So now in that, somewhere it has liberated us actors and filmmakers to tell the kind of stories without the pressure of having के यार ये 2 घंटे में हमको सब कुछ बताना है एंड चाहिए बॉक्स ऑफिस पे चलेगी कि नहीं, आइटम गाना डालना है कि नहीं डालना है.
Right.
Without those constraints and restraints.
Exactly.
So that is the freedom that it has been given, which I think is a great change. And I had already been working, also taking slowly but surely good work, that if it ever came my way, I was doing good work. I did Matra, I did a reality show, I did another Telugu film, I did KGF after that. So there are things that I have been doing constantly as well.
Right.
And then I had been offered many web shows earlier, but nothing I think really touched me as much as Kasturi Dogra's character touched me in my heart.
Of course.
And that's what I also want to give out.
I'm pretty sure that Aranyak is going to get a fantastic response.
I hope we live up to your expectations.
I'm sure already you must be getting these feelers from within the industry as well. Then immediately after that, you're having KGF 2. Where you're playing a very, very important character. Apparently, your director is very excited about you. He tweeted on your birthday. So, really excited about this particular phase in your career? Maybe it can be the biggest turning point as far as your career is concerned as an actor, because you've had a very successful career commercially. You've had some amazing songs to your credit, some very fine performances, national award. But I think this phase, the way it is starting as of now, this can be a completely new Raveena Tandon in a way.
I don't know about how much newness I can, but I have tried to give something new to all my audiences with the kind of films that I've always made.
आप 27-28 साल के आप दिख रही हैं वैसे भी आजकल, तो अभी तो आपने
So
खुद भी आपने कहा कि 30 साल तो और हैं अभी.
So sweet, exactly. लेकिन आपको उतनी क्षमता भी होनी चाहिए ना मुझे टॉलरेट करने की और 30 साल.
देखिए अगर सरप्राइज करेंगे आप तो I think then no one will have an issue.
Exactly.
If you can surprise.
Exactly. That's what
आप KGF 2 के ट्रेलर में जिस तरीके से आप वॉक कर रही हैं उसमें ही एक स्टेटमेंट है.
So that it's been a conscious effort for me to pick up the kind of roles that I want to. I could have done quantity, but I didn't want to again. Even now I'm reading 8 scripts, उसमें से शायद मैं कोई भी नहीं करूँ आगे के लिए, और मैं फिर वेट करूँ 6 महीना के till something again comes my way which I feel हाँ यार ये करनी चाहिए.
Correct.
तो I have the relaxed mind now to work at my pace.
Of course.
The way I want to or what I want to choose.
जी.
इट्स नॉट कि यार हर फ्राइडे एक फिल्म तो दिखनी चाहिए कि फटाफट साइन कर लो. वो इनसिक्योरिटीज़ नहीं है कि यार फिल्में साइन कर लो धड़ाधड़ कि 30 फिल्में जैसे लास्ट टाइम हम लोग करते थे, पहले 30 फिल्में एक साथ करते थे. सो दैट येस आई एम डूइंग एट माई पेस एंड आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग दैट क्वाइट सम टाइम अगो. एंड अगर कुछ अच्छा नहीं आता है तो मैं करती भी नहीं हूँ, मुझे कोई अर्जेंसी नहीं है. So, but when something comes my way, I'll definitely take it up, which is more promising. I've just finished another movie also for another big production company now, and just finished dubbing for it as well. Again, there will be another something like this soon on it, so I cannot say much on it. But again, that's such an intriguing character that I'm playing.
Absolutely.
And it's again something different that I've never played before.
No, that's amazing. That's amazing.